Hey ho guys! In today's episode we're gonna add more connection between Bitwig and VCV. Instead of using a CV out device to send modulation to VCV, we will expand our previous polygrid patch with new features. But let's start in VCV Rack. This time we're gonna bring from Bitwig also the velocity, and we're gonna modulate filter cutoff with the mod wheel. So we're gonna rename the two output ports and make the connections to the second VCA and to the FM input of the filter and open the attenuverter. We can go now in Bitwig and let's create the buses in the audio settings. In the polygrid device we add the velocity in module and we connect it with the CV out to our velocity output. We will now add value and we modulate it with the MIDI modulator. We just need to press now the Learn CC button and move the mod wheel. As you can see, we are already moving the value knob with the mod wheel. So now we just need to send the signal to VCV with again a CV out module. Let's listen what we get. Now it's time to get a little bit more creative. Let's load a 8 out jack module in VCV and let's modulate also the FM of the oscillator, the speed of the LFO, the speed of caudal and the filter resonance. Let's rename the ports and connect all the cables. I will also send now some CV signals from VCV back to Bitwig, one of them from the LFO and the other one from caudal. Let's go now back to Bitwig and create the buses. We can now open again polygrid. So we're gonna need now a sine oscillator for the FM. We lower the pitch of 12 semitones and we connect it to the hardware out device. We will use a trigger device and a dice to randomize the LFO speed. We're gonna use a random modulator for the speed of caudal. And an LFO for the resonance. We had now two CV in modules. With the one coming from the LFO, we modulate the fold of the oscillator. Now we can add a delay in the polygrid effects panel. And modulate the time with the CV signal coming from caudal. Let's hear what we have. Let me show you one last thing. I have here a simple patch in Serum. We can open the modulators and add two hardware CV in modulators. We're gonna assign them to the signals coming from VCV. And now we can modulate the filter and pitch of Serum with VCV. So guys, that's it for now. In the next video we'll show you how to use VCV as a send effects. So subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.